Hello dear Taurus, welcome back to my channel and this is your reading for the month of 2024. I wanted to tell you that people who are not comfortable with English, I have also started making Hindi videos for them which will be available on my channel as and when I post English one. So this is going to be in English. I'm going to write in the description whether it is in English or Hindi. So please go and watch the video in Hindi if you're not comfortable in English. So let's begin. Those who are new to my channel, please note that this is a reading directly from the book of Nostradamus. So I am going to refer to the book whenever I have any doubts, I need clarification, or I'm just getting too many messages. Okay, in your first week we have the page, in your second week we have the death card, in your third week we have the moon card, and in the fourth week we have the emperor. Emperor is definitely your energy. I always see relate emperor with you. First week, second week, third week, and the fourth week. Right. So the first week has the page and the six of moons. Let me clarify with Nostradamus, six of moons and the page. And star card. I do feel that somebody is trying to move forward in life. Taurus, maybe you were stuck in the past or maybe something bad happened to you, that you're sitting with yourself and you're looking backwards towards what has happened in the past, and or in a good way maybe to how far you have come and how your life used to be. But this is more of a sorrowful legacy. I do see that, sometimes your past is giving you trouble in the sense that there were some really, really good memories in the past. Maybe you have lost some people, maybe you had a breakup or a divorce or something like that. Somebody left you, and somewhere you do look back to the happy moments and miss that person. I do feel that kind of vibe. At the same time, you're trying very hard to move forward and you will move forward. I see that, this person is walking forward, and this is a card of looking backwards. So you are definitely moving forward, but at the same time, you're looking backwards to what you have lost in the past, or because of your work, how your family got affected, or you moving forward, but you actually wishing if those people could be with you, in the next path of your life. But it's not always necessary. Maybe all those people that you're missing, your karmic cycle had ended with them. It's not necessary that everyone we meet, we are going to, carry forward with them in our next phase of life. So you're definitely moving to the next phase of life, and it is okay to walk alone or to walk with new people. Whoever is meant to be with you in this particular walk of life will be automatically attracted to you, come to you, stay for as long as they are meant to stay, and then they will go and leave you. And that's a part of life. Okay. Second week we have the death card and the postulant. So I do feel that you are spending a lot of time with yourself as this person is sitting and thinking. You're also very creative. So you're also creating, you have a lot of ideas. I do see death card in your reading, which means A, either you are dealing with a Capricorn, or B, that there are major changes in your life. Okay, so major transformation will be happening, which means something inside you will die and something inside you will begin, which means that maybe some negative thoughts will die. Maybe when you look back, you're still stuck in the past that I'm seeing. So maybe you will be able to move forward with it. Of course, you will still be thinking about it, but I do feel that this thinking, that this negative thinking or this stuck in the past thinking is going to end soon, and there will be major transformation for you, Taurus. You will get over it, whatever it is. I see that. In your third week, we have the moon card and the six of spheres. You see, moon card is a card of intuition. It's also a card of tidal changes. Again, there are changes. And it's also a card of overthinking. So like we saw that person sitting alone and thinking, I do see that you will be surrounded with people, but you will be still in your head. Sometimes you are sitting in a room full of people, but at the same time you're not able to relate with those people because you have too many thoughts in your head. So I do feel it is your kind of situation when where you are a little unhappy, so to say, because there is somebody you miss dearly. I do feel that. I also see that you will be doing a lot of charity. You will be doing, for example, some you consulted astrology and someone asked you to do charity so that you feel better, so that you come out of this negativity. So I do feel that you will be doing a lot of charity as well. Also pay attention to your dreams. So you could be getting vivid dreams around this time, and your uh, uh, dreams hold messages. So you could be getting a lot of messages also. I would like to clarify the Six of Spades and the Moon with Nostradamus once. Six of Spades, please. Yeah, so basically they say that you're not living in the present, right? The Moon card is a card of overthinking. So you're living in your head more than you're living uh, present in reality. I see looking backwards, and I see that person sitting alone, the postulant. I also see in the Six of Spades, which I wanted to clarify, and with the Moon card, that you're not living in the present. So that is what your situation is in the month of August. Let's see what happens to you in the last week. We have the Four, which is the Emperor card, and the Three of Moons. So I do feel that finally you will find stability in your life, you know, and it could be that you are the father figure of the family, or you are the father in the family, or you are somebody who has that kind of authority, or in your workplace or at home, somebody who brings a lot of stability to people. And if you were lacking stability, if you were, for example, thinking and in your head all the time, I do feel with the Emperor card that there will be stability which will come back to your life at least by the end of this month. So you'll have to struggle a little during the month of August, but it's gonna get better for you because I also see the Three of Moon, which is a card of celebration. So, wow. So this Three of Moon also is a card of pregnancy and fertility. So if you were expecting, then yes, it's good news for you. You're going to become a father soon. That also is a very positive card. If you're a female watching this, the pregnancy that you were expecting, you can get a good news about it. This person is blowing trumpet, and we blow trumpet when you're happy or when we want to announce something. So definitely you will be announcing pregnancy soon, or marriage soon, or it's a beautiful card of hope and new beginnings and celebration. So you will be celebrating something also. Let me clarify with Nostradamus if there are some hidden meanings that I can't see right now. Yes, healing and recovery also. Apart from the success that you're going to get, apart if it's in your business and you thought that you were struggling, or you were in your head, you were going through some changes internally and externally around you also. Maybe some things were changing in your workplace. Maybe some things were definitely changing inside your head. Definitely you will find success in that. Definitely you will find stability. This card I just clarified is also a card of healing. So if you were dealing with depression, for example, because the Moon card is here, if you were dealing with depression or anything related to your brain, insomnia, for example, you were not sleeping or anything, you will recover from it as well. So it's a beautiful reading. Of course, there are some uh, baggage that you're carrying from the past, which is obviously going to go away. You are going to change into a better person. Things around you are going to change. Things internally are going to change. So don't you worry, guys. It's gonna be a good month, okay? And if you guys resonated with my reading, if you thought that yes, this situation is exactly what I'm going through, then please do like, share, and subscribe, and refer to your friends. You guys take care, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.